Hey everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here, and I have a quick little bit of information I'm going to share with you so you can make your outside adventures a little bit more enjoyable. Stay with me. Just some pieces of stuff that's not really gear. It's just stuff that I take into take it camping, hiking, whatever. The first thing is baby oil cream, and it actually will repel bugs. So you just rub it on, you know, your open skin. Rub it on your, you know, exposed skin, and it keeps mosquitoes away and bugs. And I've been using it for years, and it works, and it doesn't really smell that bad, so you don't smell like you're wearing perfume or anything. So yeah, I always carry that with me. I don't carry this big tube. I actually bought a little travel bottle. Yeah, it's a reusable bottle, 3 ounces. I just put that in there, and I always have that in my pack. Keeps the bugs off of me. So that's always good to have. Something else I take camping or with me is chest rub. And I've used the name brand, and I've used, oh geez, that's so strong. And I've used the generic stuff, and it works. It keeps, you rub it on your legs, it keeps the ticks off. You can rub it on, like if you're laying on the ground and sleeping, rub it on your neck and around your ears. It'll keep the ticks off your head. Went camping with a guy one time, offered it to them. They looked at me like I was nuts, and a couple days later, one of the guys was like, hey, I had a tick on my head. So yeah, I always have that. Rub it before you go to bed. Rub it on your legs, any exposed skin, especially if you're sleeping on the ground. It'll keep the ticks from crawling on you and not having, you know, you don't want a tick bite. Something else that I carry is this creosote salve. Okay, I don't carry this big container. Again, I've transferred it to a smaller container. So it's like Vaseline. Smells like, I don't know, first aid equipment used to way back in the day. This stuff, I found it in Amish country at a store. You can find it online. I've found it. So it's McNess Creole Salve. I've had this container for like 6 years, and it's good for cuts, burns. You know, it soothes it. Works. I use it if I get cut on my thumb, like I cut my thumb here. I put it on, that Band-Aid's getting gross. So I put it on there and just keep a Band-Aid on it. Helps heal. I went to reach for my knife earlier. Got stung by a bee because it was on my knife and I didn't check my knife, and I just put some of that on there, whipped this out of my bag, threw it on there, went on with life. You can't even see where it was stung. So that's just little, you know, you can always transfer it to smaller items, just something to carry around, keeps the bugs off you so you don't have to use all those harsh chemicals. It's just what I use, and it's always worked. So hopefully it's a little easy tip that you can use. And you know, you gotta make sure you use the baby oil cream, not baby oil or baby oil. It's just gotta be the cream. Chest rub, and then find you a good salve. This is the salve I found, and it's the one I like. So hopefully that's just some information you can use and help you out not getting bit and ate up by bugs. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Sorry about the wind. Enjoy the outside.